Okay, this is Jasper. Jasper! Jasper, what you doing? This is Meeko. No, go back, Meeko. Go back. No. Ah. Back, Meeko. Is that coming to me? Oh. Come here. Stay there. Say hello, Meeko. This is Jasper. Jasper. Give a kiss. Give a kiss. Give a kiss. Oh. Meeko, you get your butt back over here. Meeko. Not my head. Not my head. There we go. Meeko and Jasper. What you doing? What you doing, hey? Gorgeous, hey? Kiss, 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 kiss. Oh, good boy. What you doing? Hey? What you doing? What you doing?
They've got the team that can actually win this game. They just haven't put it all together today.
29-17, the Springboks with a 12-point advantage. Australia would need a try here for a bonus point. That's the